And fresh water. You got all the mixed plants around here. This one here. This is the yellow color where they make weaving. We dye them pandanus. This one here. Yeah, this one here, the sweet plum. This little plant here, it's like a little passion fruit. It's green, we don't eat it, but when it's orange, you can eat it. It's nice and sweet. You got a little barrel bed over here. Always collect everything. They call it a dog bowl. You get them little fruit everywhere. It's a little round one. Like a strong Vicks, this one. Yeah, crush it. And then, yeah, you boil it up. And then always teaspoon them out. Teaspoon them out.
We strain it out.
And
then we boil it again with beeswax.
Yeah.
It's fresh. That's really fresh one.
Yeah.
That's really fresh. Yeah.
And this tree here, when you have like them fungus, like a ringworm, it's like a sandpaper. This one.
This kind of
Like a sandpaper.
Yeah.
Okay, and you gotta scrub them hot for light and make them bleed.
and heal them up.
Yeah. Lemongrass, look, young one. You get them seed, boil them up, make bush medicine.
Did you get this?
You can bath with this one, yeah?
This one, yeah.
Yeah. This tree here, it's like stringy bark. You make bag out of it, basket.
The lily bag.
Yeah, lily bag, yeah. This one here, that bush soap.
Yeah.
Sometimes we get them and put them in water and it kill them fish. Yeah, this one you make necklace, earring. This one really good. That lady will pack that and like weaving, you know. So if you pack the pandanus, you can strip it up and then start putting the color and then boiling it up. Paper bark, we also use these leaves for flavor. And we use this paper bark plate. Wherever we're cooking our fish, we put it sort of like a plate for our ground oven.